Day 2 started early, right after our overnight highway bus from Tokyo to Kyoto. The sunrise was beautiful, and since our hostel wasn't too far, we decided to walk there with our bags. We checked into Kei's hostel, dropped our stuff, and while Hannah was getting ready, the three of us decided to rent bicycles and explore a bit. Bikes are actually a really common way to get around in Japan, and honestly, it felt like the best way to experience Kyoto. At the hostel, we had bunker beds, and they walked us through all the hostel routes before we settled in.
And I is like living the void hostel. And any comments?
Sayonara.
No, you gotta show them the
Mountain.
This is the view.
Anna, just put a song on the side. I'm a Barbie girl.
I didn't understand what he just said.
I'm a Barbie girl.
Oh, and a Barbie world! Yay! Yay!
Like fantastic.
Let's pack some things and let's.
But short one thing.
I'm not taking shower together.
No, in the holidays.
We went to get groomed by a famous barber in Kyoto, and it was such a great experience. Super nice people, amazing vibe.
Canada.
No, Australia.
Australia kangaroo.
Kangaroo, yeah.
But the real highlight? On the way back, Anubhav decided to fall off his bicycle out of nowhere. I ended up giving him a first aid.
Oh, this is so cute.
Shut up.
Yeah, this trip keeps getting better.
You gotta kiss the boo boo.
Up.
Great, I'll dance for you guys. Ready?
After getting ready, we left the hostel on our rented bicycles, heading towards Kyoto's famous Kiyomizu Temple. Riding through the streets of Kyoto was honestly so much fun. It just felt like the perfect way to explore the city. Once we got there, we parked our bikes, completely tired, and the first thing we did was grab some orange juice from this amazing automatic vending machine. Fresh, cold, and made right in front of us. Tasted so good.
Okay, where are we? What is this place called?
What was the name of the
Kiyomizu-dera.
Kiyomizu-dera. We could have spelled
What they said.
Kiyomizu Temple.
We finally made it to Kiyomizu Temple, even though we could barely say the name at first. Mizu actually means water, and the whole place has this calm, peaceful energy around it. Walking through the entrance, taking pictures, we were just mesmerized by the beauty of it all. The architecture, the views, the atmosphere, everything just felt unreal. This place is actually one of the most famous temples in Kyoto, known for its massive wooden stage that's built without using a single nail, which is crazy to think about. From up there, you get some of the most beautiful views of Kyoto, especially during the cherry blossom or autumn season.
Anubhav, please come back to us.
You guys just
Wherever you are.
disappeared.
I want you guys to get married. Together, I mean.
Yeah.
Share with Anubhav.
Yeah. Okay.
Where's my friend?
We have to do the photo.
Oh no, really?
Where'd they go? Lost our friends. There they
Yeah,
are.
there they are. See?
Bro, we got a really good spot. I saw it from the corner and we ran away. See?
We were crying, you know.
Yeah.
We are together.
Temple is really good. There's like two Buddha statues. We bowed down to them and we prayed. We light up the incense sticks over there. Now we're going down the trek. And let's see, what are we gonna explore now?
Yeah. The view is amazing.
Yeah, the view is amazing. Kiyomizu Temple. So Mizo means water. That's what it is. You can look at that, how people are taking that sacred water. Okay, so I'm gonna go try and see how it is. I'm in the plane.
Let's try the water here.
I hope we don't have to pay for this.
Watch it.
Below the temple, there's a waterfall where people come to drink the water. It's believed to bring good luck, health, and success. After doing the water ritual at Kiyomizu Temple, we headed down to explore the local market, trying different foods and picking up some souvenirs.
We are having a little snack at it's like a little restaurant near the temple. Or I ordered matcha, of course.
I ordered like some kind of meatballs.
So good.
It's like chewy. It's good. Kind of tastes like matcha.
Like a green tea. Green tea made in a...
Yeah. We got this. It's called.
Salted
It's
pickle.
no, it's called a cucumber pickle.
Cucumber, yeah.
Which is funny because the pickle is just.
Yeah. It's so good. It's cold, hydrating, salty. I don't have words to describe it. It's really good.
Yeah, it's very good.
We cannot like walk and eat, so we have to sit in the restaurant and eat. That's it.
Fair enough. Probably just keeps the streets clean.
Try it. What is it? What is it?
I'm not sure.
Good?
Which vegetarian?
How is it? Like sweet?
Sweet and sweet.
Good?
That kind of bun.
Oh, it's,
Bun, soft bun with pumpkin, carrots and sweet potatoes.
is it good?
Yeah. That's right. More like, and also it's vegetarian.
I am standing right now in a bicycle parking or active parking. Oh my god, this is crazy. Japan is crazy. Oh my god, look at that. Look at that. Specifically for parking bicycles.
We're on our way to Bamboo Forest. And next station is Kyoto. No.
Kyoto Station. Welcome to Kyoto.
Yeah.
I am so mesmerized. Oh my god, look at the building. We are in the train right now, going to Bamboo Forest. Everyone is sitting so quiet over here. Oh my god. The train is so good.
On our way to Bamboo Forest, we were already getting some incredible views. After getting off the train, we walked through this beautiful little town, and honestly, it felt so peaceful. There was something really calming about the whole place. And then we reached it, the bamboo forest. The bamboo here grows incredibly tall and dense, and what's really interesting is how it creates this unique sound when the wind passes through. It's actually considered one of the Japan's most peaceful natural sounds. Standing there, surrounded by these towering bamboo trees, it didn't even feel real. I've seen this place so many times in wallpapers and videos, but seeing it in real life just hit different. I was so happy to finally be there.
January 1st.
Yeah, I heard that.
Yeah.
Yep.
Whenever earthquake, we support them. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
No worries.
What country?
Canada.
We took some pictures at Torii Gate. It marks the entrance to a Shinto shrine. Once you pass through it, you are stepping into a sacred space.
Can I get a? Oh yeah!
While exploring the bamboo forest, we decided to hop on a traditional rickshaw ride. It's actually one of the oldest ways of getting around in Japan, where someone literally pulls you through the streets. And honestly, it was such a unique experience just sitting back, enjoying the views and taking it all in while someone else does all the work. Definitely one of the most fun and different things we did here. After a full day of exploring, we decided to try Kyoto's famous hot lava cheeseburgers. Watching it being made was insane. The cheese was literally melting, super creamy, and even set on fire. It looked so good, but it was so heavy we couldn't even finish it. We ended the day by pranking Swapnil while he was asleep. He had no idea what was going on, and we couldn't stop laughing.